Hey guys, it's Emily. I've been looking for an alternative to the MAC Studio Fix powder foundation, and I found one. It is the BareMinerals BarePro. This is shade Fair 15 in neutral. It comes in this little powder compact. It seemed like it was really full coverage, but let's see. I'm not wearing any makeup on my skin, and you can see I have a ton of rosacea here. Like, this is completely unfiltered, people. This is my blotchy normal face. So let's see. There it is. Huh. I think it may be a little on the dark side, but as you can see, it's covering pretty nicely. Yeah, it's just a little dark, but do you see the difference? Let's see the forehead. I think I need one shade lighter for when I'm this pale, but I usually wear spray tan, especially when it's getting warmer. But what do you think? There's the side with the makeup, and there's the side without. Let's look at it up close. Wow, I really like it. So I don't have any primer on. I would recommend getting the primer, but overall, I mean, I think it did a pretty good job. It looks pretty good. I'd say this is a win. This stuff was, I got it at Kohl's at the Sephora there. It was $42. So it came to about $45 with tax. So not too bad, right? I say this is a win. I say buy it. I grade this a B+. Yay, BareMinerals.